Good morning, students. In chapter 7, weather and climate, we have already discussed about what is weather. In today's class, we will discuss about elements of weather. The different elements of weather is maximum and minimum temperature, humidity, rain and snow, and wind. With all these, weather is totally depend on these elements. We will discuss one by one. First one is the minimum maximum temperature. Okay, this is the instrument we can measure the maximum and minimum temperature of the day. The highest temperature recorded during the day is called the maximum temperature. Maximum temperature क्या होता है कि पूरे दिन में हाईएस्ट टेम्परेचर कब होता है, एंड जनरली वी आर मेजरिंग इट एट द नून. And the lowest temperature recorded during the day is called the minimum temperature, and this temperature we are measuring early in the morning. So if we measure temperature early in the morning, it will be a minimum temperature, and the temperature which is recorded in the afternoon, it is called the maximum temperature. The maximum and minimum temperatures are recorded with the help of a special thermometer that is called the maximum minimum thermometer. Okay. So to prepare the weather reports, okay, every day we are observing one column which is given in newspapers. So to prepare weather reports, the maximum and minimum temperature reached during a whole day recorded. Okay. So the minimum temperature for a particular day is recorded in the early morning, that I have already explained you. Okay. This makes the surrounding very hot and unbearable during the summers. For this reason, we feel so miserable in the afternoon during the summer. This is due to the maximum temperature of the day. Now, the second element is the humidity. First, we will see what is humidity. Humidity is the measure of moisture present in the air. Okay, and the weather reports in newspaper show humidity in percentage. This is the instrument, it is called hygrometer, and it is used to measure the relative humidity. Okay, so relative humidity is the amount of water vapor present in the air. It is expressed as a percentage of the maximum amount of water vapor the air can hold at that temperature. Okay. Now we'll move on the third element, that is rain and snow. In the clouds, when the water droplets join together, we know about the water cycle here, or when water get evaporated through the very hot temperature, this water get evaporated and cool down, and they combine together to form the water droplets in a cloud. Sometimes if the weather is too cold, these water droplets they get freeze, okay, and into convert into crystals of ice and fall down as snow on the earth. Okay, so rainfall is generally measured in millimeter with the help of an instrument called rain gauge. That I will show you what is the instrument. See here, this is the instrument of rain gauge. This rain gauge is a measuring cylinder with a funnel at the top. See here, this is the funnel and this is a measuring cylinder. To collect rainwater, rain gauge measures the rainfall at a place in millimeters. Okay, जहाँ भी किसी भी place पे कितनी बारिश हुई है, it is expressed in the millimeter. Okay, and the last element of the weather is the wind. Students, wind is the moving air, or we can call it a moving air is the wind. During winters, when the wind blows from the mountains of northern India towards the northern plains, ज़्यादातर जो हवाएं होती है वो कहाँ से ब्लो करती हैं? They start blowing from the mountains of the northern India towards the northern plains की तरफ आती हैं. Okay, the plains become very cold during summers. तो जितने भी plains होते हैं, they are very cold during the summers. The wind blows from the western India towards central and eastern India, and these regions become very hot. Okay, so this wind is totally, what is the weather, it is cold or hot, they are also depend on the wind also. Okay students, this is all 4 different elements of weather, and by calculating these different elements we can forecast the weather reports. About the climate, that we will discuss in our next class. Thank you students, have a nice day.